Hey you guys, today is going to be a fun video. I have the brand new ColourPop Ooh La La eyeshadow palette. There's so many beautiful shades in here. There are a lot of pink shades in here. There's one that's a little more purple. There is a shimmery color up here in the corner. And then this tan color, it has a little bit of a sheen to it. This palette actually came out on October 3rd and it was a Wednesday, and everywhere on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, I kept seeing, and on Wednesdays we wear pink. I was like, what are they talking about? And it was a whole bunch of mean girl memes. And I didn't put two and two together. I just happened to be on ColourPop and I saw it and I was like, yes, I need that. There's a whole bunch of pink. I will have so much fun with that palette. And then when I was talking to a friend later on, they're like, you don't know what that is? It's Mean Girls. And on Wednesdays we wear pink. And I was like, oh my God, how could I not know that? I watched that all the time when I was in school. So I'd already bought it. I was like, okay, we're gonna do a look. So this video will be posted on a Wednesday because we might as well just keep with the theme. But along with this palette, which is super fun to play with because that's what I'm wearing on my eyes today, I also have 3 Super Shock shadows. There is a very hot pink color. There is a light pink color. And then there is this shimmery opalescent pink. It is so pretty. I will make sure to swatch these colors for you. I did use the light pink and the opalescent pink on my eyelid for this look today, along with that eyeshadow palette. And then there was also a pink cream gel liner that they released, and when I was doing my makeup, I meant to use it. I forgot. I was so excited to be using the eyeshadows. I completely forgot about the eyeliner, so I ended up with a black eyeliner in the waterline, but I'll do another look using this eyeliner just because this color is so pretty and I want to see what it looks like. And then last but not least, there are 4 liquid lips. These colors are beautiful. There is Fever Pitch, Mic Check, Varsity Blues, and Flipside. And the colors are stunning. This color I'm wearing right now is Fever Pitch. It is a metallic pinky. It's got more of a, I don't know, it's kind of got a rose gold look to it. This actually reminds me of my Anastasia Beverly Hills Saint-Tropez lip gloss, but this actually stays on my lips. I went and had brunch with the girls. I wore this color. It stayed on even through mimosas. But if it's the same color as my Anastasia Beverly Hills, which does eventually wear off, this is going to end up in my purse right next to it. Okay, so before I get into the tutorial, I do want to swatch these colors for you because they are so beautiful. And I do want to give you kind of like my first impression because this is the first time I used the eyeshadow palette and the Super Shock shadows. I have been wearing this lip gloss. It's so pretty. So this one for Fever Pitch is not a first impression. It's something that I've actually worn before. But I do like these liquid lips. And then of course I will swatch the gel eyeliner as well since I didn't end up wearing it. All right, so to swatch my eyeshadow colors, I will take my bracelet off and then we will jump right in. All right, so swatching these eyeshadows, I'm gonna start in the top corner, the top row, work my way down. All right, so this first color is Tickled. It is a shimmery opalescent color. It's not doing it justice. It has flakes of pink and blue glitter in it. Then you have Soft Core. That is kind of a pinky corally color. Next to it you have Poodle. It's still light, but it's got that pinky shade to it. Next you have the color Big Sugar. And it has a really pretty sheen to it. You have Opulent. That's more of like a magenta with a sheen. Sandbar is a matte hot pink color. That color, just on the outside corner, would be beautiful, or even all by itself with a little bit of a light color or tickled on the inside corner would be beautiful. And then the darker colors, you have Trove. Let's swatch that some more. That's more of kind of like a burgundy pink color. That's more of like a burgundy pink, or with undertones of a pink. Then you have Caddy. This color is a little bit more purple. Kind of, that one swatches weird. Maybe it's just my arm. And then the last color is Moonstruck. It's more of like a gold. It seems like it's got a little bit of glitter in it, but I don't know if you can see. Yeah. That color is beautiful. It has a really nice sheen to it. There's not a lot of chunky glitter in it. So in this eyeshadow palette of 9 colors, there's a good mix of mattes, 2 shimmery, like 2 super shimmery shades, one with more chunky glitter than the other. And then you've got some shimmery pink colors, but more on the matte side. Now, if you want shine and glitter, you want the Super Shock shadows. All right, so for the Super Shock shadows, these, I apply them with my finger. They're so easy to apply that way. I'm sure you could do it with a brush. I wanted that shine that you get from the Super Shock shadows. All right, so for the first color I'm gonna swatch from darkest to lightest. This is Slave to Pink. Oh, look at that color. Oh my goodness. We're just gonna put that right here. That one is Slave to Pink. Oh, look at that shine. It's just gorgeous. So then we have Bubbly. And they're so smooth. These Super Shock shadows are so smooth. I like how buttery and velvety they are. Do you see that shimmer? It's just stunning. And then the last one is Frog. So this one is kind of like an opalescent pink. It has chunks of glitter in it, but it's not like, there wasn't a lot of fallout with it. Those 3 colors by themselves, if you just wanted to do this one as on the outside corner, this one in the crease, and then this one on the inside corner, that on its own is just beautiful. So this is the gel liner. It's such a smooth liner. It went on so nice. That was 2 swipes of it just to make sure. But I think that in the waterline will be gorgeous. Or even if you did that on the lid and then put a little bit of black eyeliner over it. All right, so I was just looking at my hands. The hand that I had the Super Shock shadow on, and then the hand that I had the eyeshadow palette on. And I will tell you that this color Tickled and the Super Shock Shadow Frog are very similar. So I didn't use this color when I did my eyes. I used this one on the inside corner. But when I looked at them right next to each other, when I swatched them, they look so similar. So if you didn't want the Super Shock Shadow and you were gonna buy the eyeshadow palette, you'd be good to go with Tickled. So I still have the swatches from the eyeshadow on my hand. I'm actually going to swatch the Super Shock Shadow next to it. And we can do a comparison. So this is Tickled, and then this is Frog. They are almost identical. I would say Frog has more glitter in it, But if you wanted to forego getting the Super Shock shadow and you just wanted to stick to the eyeshadow palette, they are so similar. I will say though that the other two colors, the other two Super Shock shadows, there's nothing like them in the eyeshadow palette. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the Ultra Metallic Lip. All right, so the first color we have right here is Fever Pitch. It is a metallic rose gold shimmery color. Then we have Mic Check right here. It's more of a mauvey pink. It's a little bit darker than Fever Pitch, but it is stunning. Then you have Varsity Blues. This hot pink metallic color it's something else. It's really pretty. It's got such a pretty reflect. And then this last color right here is Flipside. It is more kind of a mink brown color, and they dry down so metallic. Okay, now that I've swatched all the colors from the eyeshadow palette, the Super Shock shadows, the gel liner, and metallic liquid lips, let's jump into the tutorial so you can see how I got this look. So I've already prepped and primed my eyes, and we're gonna go into this eye look now.
Hey you, I saw you from the distance. Hey you, can we talk? Hey you, I think you're my subsistence. Hey you, or am I wrong? And now, I lose my own side. My love is out of my mind. And you, I'm not more than a
All right, now that we've got our eyes done, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. And out of these 4 colors, I'm gonna use the color Fever Pitch.
And now, I lose my own sight. My love is out of my mind. And you, I'm not more than a dream. So wait, can you even hold me? Hey, oh hey. There you are, not more than a dream.
Well guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe down below. Make sure to hit the bell icon next to it to get notifications of new videos, which go up Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up so that I know that you like this video. And if you have any questions or comments, make sure to leave those down below. I will read them. And again, until next time, bye.